Hey my loves, it's Catherine and Adobe here again with another video. Guys, we're gonna be styling my princess hair today, and as usual I'm starting off by moisturizing the hair. The hair is clean, it has been washed and moisturized the previous day, but I normally moisturize it before I begin styling it because I mean it's probably dried out a little bit but not completely. After moisturizing, I started combing out. You all know how we do it here, and after that, this is what I did at the front. You just have to pat out that front part before I went into parting other place. And for that, I parted a straight line by the side, not in the middle. We want it by the side, just like I did. And once you've achieved that, you start parting slant lines like zigzag. Okay, you kind of part, let's say, four more lines or two more lines in a slant way, like one from this side to the other side. I don't know how to explain that, but yeah, you basically saw that. So I hope you will be able to figure that out. Anyways, I started cornrowing. This is a cornrow style. Okay, you're just gonna follow through. This is like a ponytail, a shuku kind of of cornrows, but it's not in the middle. We want it by the side. So because my daughter's hair or her hairline, the size of her hair, the nape of her hair, because they are fragile, there is a trick I do that always helps her hair, prevent her hair from breaking. Usually, whenever I do cornrows, especially or back cornrows, anything that is pulling her hair away from the front, it usually break her hair, especially her hairline or the back of her hair. But I figured out this method and it has been saving us her hair. Okay, so what I do is as soon as I begin braiding, I know that definitely, her hair is gonna be pulled. It is normal once you're cornrowing. I then take a comb, just like take something that's gonna cause like a friction that is not gonna put the hair. Normally at the front, I will have her use her hands, like her finger, to pin down the hair over there, like the hair to pin it down so it doesn't budge. But because it's at the back, there's no way her hand will come to the back, and I don't have anyone close by. So I started using the ends of my comb just like this. I just, put it at the front there, pass the tip of the comb through her hair. That way it's not tight from the start. I don't know if you guys are getting me. That way it is not tight from the start, and by the time I remove the comb, I remove the ends of the comb, the hair there is comfortable. It's not pulled out. Okay, you need to try this out. You know what you're gonna do is like you compare both of them to see what I'm talking about, because you might not understand the effect of this thing. So what you're gonna do is when you're braiding your child's hair or anybody's hair, you braid one without putting anything, like putting any comb or using any hand to hold it down. You just braid it normal, natural. And then the other one, you try putting like it's the tip of a comb, or you have someone pin it down at the starting point, like press it down so the hair there don't budge, and then you compare the starting point of the two. You will notice that the one that was not pinned down, that's nothing head down at all, will like likely pull the hair, okay, to pull the hair all the way to the point where you know the to the end point of the braiding. I don't know if you understand me. Like you to pull the hair along, you will see the strain. That place might be red. That's what causes bump on the hair. A lot of mamas will come to me and they'll be like, oh, their child's hair is that, like their child have bumps on their hair after they finish making their hair. Yeah, these are the things that causes it. Tightness, the tension on the scalp. Their scalps are, fragile. Our baby scalp, our kids scalp, they are fragile. So there is always likely, but even grown-ups also have these things when care is not taken. So there is always, this possibility of the hair being pulled when braided or cornrowed like that without, holding it down. So this method has actually helped my daughter's hairline. Her hairline has grown out and it's no longer breaking as much as it used to. So try it out and let me know. Anyways, we are done with that part. As you guys can see, moving on to the front, there is no biggie that I'm doing here. All I'm just doing is, braid the hair, just individual braiding, parties equally and start braiding out. You don't need like an in-depth explanation for this, just basically braid out, okay? Finally, we are done. Finally, I am done. So I want to beautify the hair because I'm definitely not leaving her hair basic like that. For that, I used the elastic band, like two elastic band, tied it on there, and then I opened it up, kind of like there's something like creating a bun, basically creating a bun because her hair is not overly long. Or yeah, because her hair is not overly long, the bun is small, because if her hair was like longer than this, I would have used like an actual bun, all those bun you can easily buy, put it on there, and then cover it up with her hair. But her hair is not that long, so I just used that elastic band to create that illusion. And this is the bun we achieved at the end of the day. Of course, it is cute, but we are not done, so don't go nowhere. I'm gonna show you guys another style with which you can, have style this hair, have it looking cute and all that. I also had this clip. Yeah, what's this thing called? I don't know, but yeah, this is another thing I did. I used this brighter whatever. I tied it on there, nothing big, nothing extravagant. Just put a brighter stuff over there, and I tied it together, and it made it look more beautiful. And guys, look at my baby girl. I had to apply oil to her scalp, just to help her hair stay moisturized, lock in the moisture, and also grow her hair while she have a hairstyle on. Yeah, you guys, this hairstyle looks so cute on her. It is school friendly. I know we are almost done with this section, this school section, and you might likely not recreate it now, but either ways, save it for later. It is very beautiful and it's easy to achieve. Plus, it is long lasting, and you can even make it now. I mean, who says you can't make it? You can put like an, ponytail there, put a bun over there, and it will elevate everything. So go ahead, try it out, and let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.